Huffman. We'll be right back.
We're here at the world-famous Oki Steakhouse to prove once and for all that the new and improved Gishu 2 is the world's greatest set of knives. But don't just take our word for it. Watch as Master Chef Orikana Masuko demonstrates these razor-sharp knives in front of a live audience here at the Oki.
Doki!
First, the dual-edge chef's knife. Will it really cut through a branch and still remain razor-sharp? You bet. Can it cut through a radiator hose?
Yes!
Will it really cut through a nail?
Yes!
And still cut a pineapple?
Yes!
What are these amazing knives worth, you ask? Don't answer that. Don't answer until you try this perfect pair of Gishu paring knives.
Yes!
How about a cleaver?
Yes!
Well, you can have this entire set, 19 fantastic Gishu knives for only $29.99. That's $29.99. How will these knives handle mushrooms? Perfect precision. How about cantaloupe? I love cantaloupe. Let's see how it handles a pineapple. Delicious. Is that a cinder block? Come on. You must be joking. So, what do you folks think of these amazing knives?
All that for $29.99?
Where do we get a set?
I think it's fantastic.
Now, I ask you, would you like to own a set of these extraordinary knives?
Yes! Yes!
I love this restaurant. It's so cute.
I know, it's adorable. We actually come here a lot.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Well, do they frown upon if I ask for a fork? Because
Yeah, everyone can use chopsticks. I'll teach you. It takes
Chef Victor will
30
be right
seconds.
with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And plus, the real reason why we like this place is they have a DJ.
awesome.
How many
I
places?
know, right?
Really nice.
It's so much fun.
Right. Can eat and get a little,
Rockin'
get our
sushi.
groove on a little bit. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Those are some knives. He makes every letter of the alphabet. It's pretty cool.
Am I safe?
I like to put on a little show.
No, it is.
Am I safe?
Ooh.
No, it is.
Am I safe?
It's okay. They do this like 100 times a night.
There's a distinctive difference between Korean sushi and sushi.
Oh my gosh, that is that?
Fingers and the DJ. It's the best of both worlds. Please take that off our bill. I didn't get one in mine.